How to hide apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can hide apps on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically hide apps on Android, first of all, it depends upon which phone and which launcher you're using. In my case, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy device with the default One UI launcher. So in my case, what I have to do is, depending upon the launcher that you're using, just tap the three dots option next to it. Then go to settings from your app drawer. From here, you can see this option that says hide apps on home and app screens. So I can simply tap on it. Then I can simply choose to select the app that I want to hide here. Then I can tap on done, and then that particular app will get successfully hidden from my home screen. So this way I can hide apps on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.